Pena. I'm from Dallas, Texas, born and raised. Age 18. I'm currently unemployed. I'm a full-time songwriter slash artist. I feel like the King Factor would be a great show for me to go on because I have the talent and I can push my talent to the maximum, to the extreme. And I feel like me and Candy can look eye to eye because I'm also a songwriter and I have the talent to do it. I feel like I have the stage performing on point and I have the studio on point. My family thinks I'm cool, that my swag is different and I set trends, and I'm doing this for my mother. And today I'll be doing a French Montana beat and I'm just gonna freestyle. Pick down low. Go hard and go home. Yeah. Strip club, that's 50 miles. Strip club, that's 50 miles. At the club, 50 goons. That's 100 triggers. At the club, polo, you can keep that heel figure. All the boys some real figures. Know the boys do a big figure. Polo, heel figure. Polo, heel figure. Polo, you got polo, you got heel figure. Polo, heel figure. Polo, you got heel figure. Polo, you got heel figure. All the boys some real. Pull up in the scene, the girls steady watching. I be in the club and my watch tick-tocking. Know a boy blind me with them clear sets. Everybody looking at me cause them racks on dick. But right now I'm chillin' at the house low-key. And your girl phone steady ringing. It's me and I'm tryna get them chicken wings. Tryna get them out. I be off up in the west with Christmas. Now we going to the north. Heading off to the A. Coming right back. And I just left Miami, now we going back. And you know I get them racks like I was shooting like Shaq. Right under the goal, so I'm jumping like that. And the boy too lyrical, these boys too lame. Young Junior, young boss, killing things. Man, look at my wrist, I'm feeling myself. Gotta jump up in my car so I can feel my will. Got racks on the shelf, got guns in the mouth. Racks on the shelf, got guns from the mouth. Dick sporting good, no boys calling. I'm shooting like a army when it's time to set it off. Got this super soaker, time to wet them up. And I'm sitting all hot in the Ford dually truck. Got that 650, and you know I'm whipping about 250 up on the coupe, and it just hit the button so the roof is roofless. And it's all white, you can call it sweet toothless. I be killing things and these boys be hating it. Boy, I ain't faking. I be on some making plans. Out with these scenes and these boys hating. I'm a real G and these boys faking. And I'm ballin' like the Lakers, but I'm sitting on sixes, that's the skaters. The boy looking at me, hate me cause I'm so player. I'm looking at this girl and she just watched me. Where the cameras at TMZ, they can watch me. Paparazzi looking at me cause my swag a fool. And them giddy boys a fool. You can catch me on the news cause your boy on point when it comes to them trucks. Got them girls seeing at me and them boys tell me apart. I'm a real G up in the circle. He look like Urkel. I be smoking on the kush while sitting in the circle. Mind geeked up and I'm sitting in the truck and the girl following me. Polo, down what's up? Got polo, no heel figure. Polo, no heel figure. Polo, no heel figure. You can keep that heel figure, all about them dollar bills. I'm sitting back and I'm so trill. Got dollar bills, I got chills. I'm sitting up on the hills, I'm getting money. Dollar bills, I'm so trill. Got polo, no heel figure. Boy, you looking at a real figure. Real figure. Polo, no heel figure. Know your boy, just do it bigger. Polo, no heel figure. Tommy, no heel, figure. I be in the polo. Boy, we do it big. Doing that. This one's for the Candy Factory. This one's for you. I'm out.